Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagre Channel, a faith eater, also tarder. So ngayong hapon na ito, natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 18 hanggang March 24 for the sign of for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, di lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me an information po. Okay, so this is something guys with the Nine of Pentacles. So this is something security. Na kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, maaring magdadala sa'yo ng financial windfall, na maaring uulanin at maaring lalago ang iyong finances. And this is something the King of Pentacles being practical and being secure na pagdating sa finances. Kaya kailangan pag-ingatan mo kung ang iyong business, na pag-ingatan mo ang trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kung saan nanggagaling yung resource of income mo. Let's see. What is additional messages? And there's the Four of Cups, now re-evaluate or analyze. So pag-isipan mabuti, no, yung bawat gagawin mong actions, pag-iisipan mabuti mga plano mo, kung ano yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, pag-iisipan mo. And there's the Hangman in reverse, something guys na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng cancellation, delays, no, sa mga gagawin mong transactions, sa information. Now there's something messages and phone call, but eventually maaaring maging mabagal siya, no? And this is something in new perspective. Kailangan baguhin mo yung pananaw mo, baguhin mo yung kaisipan mo dito. Let's see. What is additional messages? And of course, this is something the chart for an action and movement, no? May pagkilos at may paggalaw talaga dito. There's something changes coming in for you. There's a two joining forces na maaaring ibigay at ipagkalob na sa'yo ng ating pong may kapal, na unti-unti mo nang malasap at unti-unti mo na makuha, no? Yung mga matagal mo nang inaasam. What is additional messages? And there's something the 4-1 celebration. Na unti-unti ka na makakaranas ng celebration. Unti-unti mo na makakamit tong tagumpay na to. And there's something for 4 of 1 by 11-11. Now, there's a twin flame energy. At sinasabi dito guys na magdadala sa talaga to ng trouble. And of course, magdadala sa ito ng achievement, success. What is the Nine of Pentacles? What is the Nine of Pentacles represent what? There's something the Page of Pentacles, no? There's something investment, no? Mag-invest ka ng maayos at wasto ng tama dahil magtutuloy-tuloy na rin ang magandang kapalaran pagdating sa iyo sa finances. No, if you are being work, no? Kumbaga, kung nagtatrabaho ka, sinasabi sa iyo dito guys na kailangan ayusin mo, no? And of course, mahalin mo yung trabaho mo. No, kung magbubukas ka ng business, isipin mo kung ano itong business na to ay maaaring kumbaga mapagtatagumpayan mo ba to, matututukan mo ba to, no? Kumbaga alam mo dapat yun magiging diskarte mo, know how to manage this business. What is the King of Pentacles? The King of Pentacles represents with the Seven of Swords, with a sneakiness. No, there's a cheating lying on you, no? Kaya kailangan kumbaga magkaroon ka ng seguridad, no, pagdating sa finances. Baka lokohin ka, no, baka scam ka, mag-ingat ka. No, there's a Four of Cups. No, meron dito mangungutang daw hindi babayaran, mag-ingat ka. And this is something the full of leap of faith, no? Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, ito na magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, panibagong pag-asa. Basta pag-iisipan mabuti yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, lalo-lalo na yung pagtitiwala. Huwag kang basta nagtitiwala. Now, let's see what is the Hangman in reverse. And of course, represented with the Hermit card. There's something spiritual enlightenment. May mga bagay na magliliwanag sa'yo. may mga bagay na matutuklasan mo kung bakit nangyayari itong pagbagal, no? Ng mga transactions, pagbagal ng mga information na paparating sa'yo. And there's a chart with the Ace of Cups na may parating talagang pag-ibig, no? There's something a new love coming in for you, no? Maaring itong bagay na to, na ipagkakalob o taon na to, na ipagkakalob na ating pong may kapal, ay para sa'yo talaga. There's a Four of Wands, represent what? There's a Ten of Swords. Mag-ingat ka lang, no? Ngayong birthday mo, maaring sabotahin ka, maaring may mga maging problema dyan, no? Sa iyong celebration. Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Sasabotahin ka dito, lolokohin ka. Ibig sabihin dito, maaaring traitoring ka pagdating sa if you have a partner, if you have a wife or husband, no, kumbaga mag-ingat ka sa pagtitiwala na baka masulot o baka matikman ng iba. Charis. And there's a Nine of Pentacles across the Page of Pentacles. Representing the King of Wands. So something vision, no? Unti-unti mo nang masisilay, unti-unti mo na makikita lahat ng mga possibilities, unti-unti mo na makikita lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay mo. No? There's something na maaring lumago at lumakas ang iyong finances. So let's see what is additional messages with the King of Wands. The King of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. There's the King of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords with the Six of Cups. There's something a remnants, no? There's something a friend of yours, no, na maaring lokohin ka, maaring traidoring ka, na mag-ingat ka. What is the Four of Cups request the full card? Represent with the Queen of Cups. Now there's something emotional healing, no? Magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing dito. Maaring magkakaroon ka na bago simula basta pag-iisip mabuti yung bawat actions mo. Sabi mo, nagdididing ako. There's a King Man, of course, the Hermit card. Represent what? There's something, the Ace of Wands. Now, there's something, a new project, new plans. Now, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong pag-asa dito at panabagong simula. And of course, let's see. And there's something, guys, with a chart card, of course, the Ace of Cups, represent with a Devil card. Oh my God, meron talaga ditong sasapaw, no? Meron talaga ditong hahadlang or meron talaga ditong kumaga aagaw, no? Ng iyong pag-ibig. O mag-ingat ka. There's a Devil card. What is the Four of Wands represent the Ten of Swords? What is the Four of Wands represent the Ten of Swords represent what? The Ten of Wands represent the Ten of Swords. The Four of Wands represent the Ten of Swords represent the Two of Wands. Choices, no? Piliin mo yung mga bagay lang na makakatulong sa'yo, no? Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. What is additional outcome? Additional outcome represent what? And there's the Queen of Pentacles, no? Maging practical ka at maging secure ka pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, no? Kailangan marunong ka mag-manage at marunong ka mag-control ng iyong pinaghirapan. And this is the Queen of Swords. Look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titignan dito maging kalalabasan, no? Mag-set ka ng boundaries with the Three of Cups, without something third parties. Oh my God, lapitin ka na third parties dito, mag-ingat ka. What is additional messages for finances and career? And there's a Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matutupad. And this is something that to observe. There's a decision that you need to make, no? Kailangan mo mag-decision dito, no? Na, kumbaga, yung gagawin mong negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, tutukan mo. Now, there's something Magician for manifestation. Lahat ng mga bagay gusto mong gawin sa pagkakaperahan mo, resource of income mo, maaring lumago. And there's a Three of Wands, no? Meron ka din dito travel. Kung naghihintay ka ng travel, naghihintay ka ng alis, maaaring makakaalis ka na. There's a waiting for a ship. There's something documents na hinihintay mo, maaaring makuha mo ng document or papers. And this is something, guys, with a Six of Swords, with the transition. Makakaalis ka na sa situation. No, makakalaya ka at makakabangon ka na dyan. What is additional messages? About naman tayo sa love life. And this is something the Six of Pentacles, there's a give-receiving something by the universe na magtutuloy-tuloy na talaga about sa finances. And because magiging balance na rin ang inyong pagsasama at ang inyong relasyon. And this is something the Five of Pentacles, no? Some of you guys nakaranas ng crisis, nakaranas talaga ng ano dito, sinubok ang inyong relasyon, no? Pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. And this is something the Eight of Wands. No, magiging mabilis ng takbo ng eksena to. Maaaring magtutulungan kayo. Maaaring kailangan nyo magtulungan. And this is something the Eight of Wands, something a trouble. Maaaring makakapag-travel kayo. And there's a lot of adventure. What is additional messages pagdating sa health? And there's an Eight of Swords. No, there's a lot of negativities around you. No, maaaring nai-stress ka, nag-iisip ka. There's a King of Cups. No, pero may devoted sa 40% ka dito. No, yung person mo napaka-devoted naman daw, supportive, and there's a high fight for an education and lesson learned. Matuto ka na ha, napapalibutan ka lagi ng traidor, lagi ka na nasusulot or lagi ka na ano dito, nasasapawan or parang inaagawan, no? Lagi ka naaagawan. So let's see. What is magical fairy messages represent what? Let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent. Get some exercise, no? Kumaga sinasabi dito na kailangan mo na exercise, kailangan mo pala kasi na patibayin yung immune system, yung katawan mo, and your desire is within reach, no? Kung ano man yung hangarin, kagustuhan mo, maaaring may isa sa katuparan mo yan. Let's see what is the synchronicities represent what? Four synchronicities represent what? Bloom. No, maaring dumali na, maaring lumago na, gumanda na, no, ang iyong hanap buhay, ang iyong negosyo, at ang iyong relasyon. There's a persistence na kailangan magtuloy-tuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Hindi pwedeng pabago-bago to ng desisyon. Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mong Jones mo. 'Di ba? Kung ano talaga yung plano mo. What is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card? Yin and Yang Oracle card represent with a third party. Talagang there's something third party, guys. Oh my God. Or mag-ingat ka with the parties. No? And there's a Mercury with a message, trouble. Magkakaroon ka na trouble talaga dito. And there's something lock and down. Alisin mo yung pag-alinlangan at panghihinayang mo dito. Pagdadalawang isip, alisin mo din yan. What is the romance stages for a mystic love oracle that represent what? Represent with him, with a divine masculine. So, ibig sabihin, mataas ang masculine itong person mo, no? Or parehas kayong lalaki, there's something bisexual, also, or something, guys, mas mataas ang masculine energy niyan dalawa. And there's something reconciliation, na meron ditong, kumbaga, magbabalikan, no, magkakabalikan, no, there's just something, guys, na maaring ibalik yung kumbaga pagsasama, pagmamahalan, and there's a third party. Oh my God, talaga may third party talaga. May gumawa sa inyo ng hindi maganda na naghumantong sa hiwalayan yung dalawa. No? Let's see here. What is additional messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Innocence, no? Maring innocent ka, wala kang kamalay-malay sa nangyayari sa iyo. And the situation is already resolved. Na maaring nasolusyonan na to. Maaring may mga pinagdaanan ka dito na maaring natapos na. What is the romance angel represent what? A romance angel represent with an engagement. Na magkakaroon ka ng engagement dito and higher level of commitment. Maaring lumakas ang iyong finances. And because this is something, guys, with a let your friends help you. No, iya mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka. No, suportahan ka. What is the angel's answer represent what? And abundance. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng kasaganahan dito. No? Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan if you believe, wag ka lang, sinasabi dito, wag ka lang mawawala ng tiwala sa ating pong may kapal. Kailangan maniwala at magtiwala ka. And of course, there's no need to worry. Wag ka lang mangamba. No, kailangan buo yung tiwala mo, buo yung pananampalataya mo. What is additional messages with the chakra messages? Abundance. Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan talaga dito. No, magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan, and this is something, guys, with a passion. Ito yung sinasabi kong passion, yung about sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, mahalin mo. No? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, yun ang gawin mo. And this something insecurity. Maraming talaga naiinggit sa'yo. Maraming taong naiinggit talaga sa'yo. No? Na gustong sirain ang iyong relasyon. Ang iyong buhay. No? Alam nyo guys, kailangan nyo ng protection dito para sa mga inggitera ha. Diyos ko. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a fear. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo dito. And there's a services. No, maaring trabaho mo ay service, no, with other people. Services. Nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao. And this is something, wait, matuto ka maghintay, huwag ka masyado magmadali. No, may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo, may mga bagay na para sa'yo. And this is something Earth School with life lessons, soul growth, and of course, study and high learning, no? Marami kang bagay na matututunan sa buhay mo, sa ginagalawan mo, sa sitwasyon mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? With an angel spirit represent what? And there is an enlightenment, no? Bibigyan liwanag, bibigyan linaw, lahat ng mga bagay kaguluhan sa buhay mo. And there's a spiritual activation, no? Mag-a-activate at about sa spirituality mo. Bibigyan ka ng instinct and visions na makita at makilala kung sino talaga yung dapat mo pagkatiwalaan. And there is a something autumn with a harvest moment, no? Kung mag-harvest ka talaga ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. What is the Arcangel Raphael? And stay positive, no? Kailangan mo manatiling positibo sa lahat ng eksena, no? Iwasan mo maghatak ng nega. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a something healer, no? It's either you become a healer or kailangan mo ng healer na tutulong sa'yo. What is additional messages? And there's a Portia Arcangel Raphael for healing. So, ibig sabihin guys, nandito talaga sa Arcangel Raphael for healing. So, kailangan mo magpagamot or or maaaring magiging manggagamot ka. And there is the guard in the gate, no? Bukas ang pintuan para sa lahat ng discoveries, lahat ng mga bagay na malalaman mo. And second, siya ka Arcangel Uriel about sa finances. Ginagabayan ka pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. What is the Monsology represent what? Adjustment are required, no? Kailangan mo mag-adjust, no? Basta huwag ka nagtitiwala. Ang bilis mo kasi magtiwala dito eh. And believe the impossible. Na maniwala ka sa mga imposible ay posible. What is the Jesus loving quote said? What is the Jesus loving quote said? Ask and shall be given to you, no? Kung bagay sinasabi dito, humingi ka ng gabay sa ating Panginoon at lumapit ka sa Kanya, magdasal ka, magmuni-muni ka, humingi ka ng tawad at magpasalamat ka at ipagkakaloob niya sa iyo yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat para sa iyo. What is the angel's number represent what? What is the angel's number represent what? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Represent with a chance and with a it's up to you. Nasa sa iyo ang desisyon, nasa sa iyo ang pagkilos at galaw. It's time to put those long cherished ideas into action. You will soon come into contact with the appropriate individual circumstances and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as a brand new opportunities. Trust in the process. So, kailangan mong magtiwala sa sarili mo, magtiwala sa tamang proseso. No, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, kailangan mong baguhin, alisin, mag-set ka ng boundaries sa sarili mo, no, na para hindi ka maapektuhan ng mga taong gustong sirain ang plano at pangarap mo. No? Let's see what is additional messages. Represent what? Represent with the eyes of the heart. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, gamitin mo yung puso mo, no, para makita mo lahat ng kahulugan at lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman at dapat mo matuklasan. Today I perceive the real beauty of every person I meet. With the eyes of my heart, I see behind the personality and focus on the energy of love that dwells beneath the surface. I am filled with a wonder and the presence of the God in every one of us. The eyes of the heart allow me to see divine shining everywhere. So see, kumaga binibigyan ka na ng pagkakataon makita, no, ng puso mo, no, na magsisilbing mata mo, na malaman mo ang kahulugan na nilalaman talaga ng intention mo at malalaman mo talaga yung mga intention ng ibang tao, no, kasi bago pa mangyari yon, makikita mo na yung magiging posibilidad na kalalabasan o yung intention nila sa iyo. So guys, this is This is a special gabay for the month of March 18 hanggang March 24 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng adsaway pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumabaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!